Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the indicator store. And now let me present the markers system, a system for NinjaTrader 8 that lets you not only detect signals from other indicators, like for example what we can see here is an indicator that paints signals using plots. We can detect those plots, and also we can detect objects, as what we can see here on this DeMark indicator, where it draw numbers and also arrows. We can either detect the object, this is a text object with the content of 9, so we can detect a blue number 9 and then execute a short. Or if, for example, your indicator draw arrows, we can just detect a red arrow down and execute a short. But not only that, because if you want to create your A1 signals, the markers tools can detect crossovers between lines. Here we have an example where we have a fast HMA and a slow HMA. We can detect and paint any visual signal. In this example, we are just painting the background. On this other example, we are detecting the change of the slope of this black line. This black line is a linear regression, but it can be any line. The visual signals here is a dashed vertical line, but it can be any line. And of course, any of the signals detected can be later automated, because now you can add Markers Plus or Markers Pro. The difference will be explained on different videos, but the idea is you can automate all those signals using markers. But this is not just a standard strategy, because it uses ATM orders. You can select your preferred ATM, for example, using multiple contracts, trailing stops, etc. Click on the ATM button, select your account, click on the button account, and then when Markers is detecting your signals and it is ready to use your account and your ATM, then you can execute all the longs, all the shorts in fully automatic mode. Maybe you prefer only to execute the following signal, so you have more control. In that case, you can select semi-automatic mode. That means when a long signal is detected, it will be executed and the button will be turned off. So for another long, you need to click on it again. And Markers inside has a lot of features, like for example, multiple time windows to trade inside, and also the option to limit the daily profit and daily loss. You can also see that it has more buttons, like for example, we can define internal filters and also exit conditions. For example, we can define another signal to exit a short and another signal to exit a long. This is optional, and it will be explained in more videos. If you are interested or need more info, you can contact me on the chat room. We have a free chat room on Discord, and you can find the instructions to log in on the description of this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.